So, you're wondering what Heal is all about. You might have heard of Heal, you might have saw Heal on social media, and you're still wondering what is Heal and what can Heal do for me. You're probably looking at this video right now and wondering why am I wearing a Heal shirt and why I'm excited today to give you some information. Well, you're in the right place if you're just wondering what Heal is all about, because I'm going to go ahead and tell you why you need Heal and how Heal can transform your life right now. So my name is Adam Shelton and welcome to this video today. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button right below this video, and don't forget to hit that notification bell when I do videos just like this. Now you know what time it is. It is that time. Yep, it's that time. Let's transform your life with Heal. What's Heal all about and how Heal can grow my life or even a better life. Now, before I joined Heal, I was in opportunity. Sure, I want to make money online. I want to go ahead and start a legacy. But there were some things missing. And those things were missing was a complete transformational experience that's going to impact my life, and I can impact your life as well. So what I'm going to show you here in a few minutes is a little bit about the backstory of Heal and how Heal can help grow your business, can also help your lifestyle, and can help your health, which I think is the most important thing in your life is your health. So let me go ahead and show you the screen of Heal. So let me go ahead and do this. Now here is Heal. There is the dashboard of Heal in the back office here, as you see, and Heal is one of the fastest growing opportunities online today. And the reason why, because of our community. Check this out. We have over 74,378 members in Heal. Now, Heal stands for health, energy, abundance, and lifestyle. Remember that. Write that down if you need to remember that. Health, energy, abundance, and lifestyle. So it fits so many different areas of how you can make an impact for yourself, and you can go ahead and have success for yourself and for many others. Now, in a short amount of time, I have a total earnings of $2,150.09 so far in Heal. So yes, you can make money using Heal. But that's not the most important thing, at least in my opinion. My thing is the transformational experience that you're going to get out in the entire program when you become a VIP member and an all-in member and continue using the products of Heal. Because check it out. The Heal story started out several years ago, right? This ain't something that was just started out in 2020. It was started out by Stephen Munson and the Munson brothers. Check this out right there. As you see here, on June 14th, 2014, Heal LLC became a legal entity founded by the Munson brothers, who set forth to help impact, inspire, and transform. That word is very key in this video. Transform lives across the world. This journey of Heal started out in 2014. Now, the idea came out in 2013, but the battle began in 2014, and now this has over 74,000 members. But remember, it was just really relaunched back in October of 2019. As you see the backstory, and don't forget, right below this video, you become a Heal member, right? Right below this video, I have a link. It's my #1 recommendation of getting started with a transformational online business for you to go ahead and make an impact for yourself and for so many others. So go ahead and click on that link, sign up, and you can see everything you're seeing right now. Now, 2019, that's where it really began, because like I said before, October was the relaunch of the product and services of Heal. So what I want you to do, I want you to watch the Heal story. So when you sign up, I want you to watch the Heal story, and it's right here. You click right there, and I want you to view when the battle begins, and also here, 2018, a dollar and a dream that became over $1 million. Stephen Munson is the man. He is the CEO, and he's there to help you, and I am there to help you as well. Now you're wondering, like, okay, so can I really make money using Heal? Well, I'm going to tell you something right here. When you become a VIP member, you're going to get access to training to grow your business. Now, many people, what they do is they may, kind of look over this a little bit. They may sign up and then not really take these videos seriously. But I know you're an action taker, and I know you want to not only grow a business, but you want to go ahead and impact other people. Now, when you become a Heal VIP Suitcase Coach member, and remember, it's $49 a month, and normal price is usually about $99, actually $79 to $99 a month. You'll get it for $49 when you sign up today, and it's a steal. Reason why I think it's a steal? Look what you're getting. You're getting VIP health videos. Look at all this. Remember, I was saying earlier, health is one of the most important things you can do, because what's the point of earning all this money and we can't enjoy our health, right? And we have it right here. We got videos from the CEO that's experienced health mentality, health strategy, and health mindset to go ahead and grow your business and grow your overall health. Now we got health foods. This is what you're getting as a VIP Suitcase Coach member, right? You're getting this. You're getting videos about the right foods to eat, right? The super smoothie, the variety of eggs and fish tacos. He's going to go ahead and show you exactly what you need if you kind of not sure about food. Because I'm going to tell you right now, I wasn't sure about some of the health before I joined. And then when I start watching some of these videos, complete impact on my life. And now I actually drink this super smoothie and also check out the burgers as well, because I'm a big burger friend. But anyway, fitness is important. It's important to do the fitness exercises. So you want to go ahead and watch the videos and the fitness, and also the motivation, the VIP motivation, inspiration can really, really take you to a whole new level. And I want you to completely check out all the videos, but watch A Dollar in a Dream. You're going to be so inspired when you go ahead and watch that video. Now you got mindset, you got building your business, personal growth, and you got the community, which is the backbone of this organization. It's all about the community. And remember, it's over 74,000 members in Heal, and it's growing today. Actually, maybe even 75,000 members by the end of this video or the end of this day. So let me check it out. So you got the community, got tons of support, tons of engagement, and tons of energy inside that group. So you will be access to the VIP Facebook group as well. And you also have bonuses, extra stuff in here. You got Simple Raw Nutrition by Brenda, and you got education, you got Chill Lounge. And remember, they load videos all the time inside this group. So it's always active in terms of adding value, because we don't want to give you more value than you are paying for. That's what it's about. More value than you're paying for. $49. This is an absolutely steal. Plus, you'll be access to the Facebook group. Now, there's other products and services in Heal, of course. Yes, you do have other transformational products like the Big Profile Profits. This is a great organization as well, a great product, I should say, because it helps you grow your online presence using Facebook strategy. And Stephen Munson, remember, he started out with $1 and he got up to $1 million just by using Facebook strategy attraction marketing. So it's going to be right here. I'm just going over all the products here. And so it's going to be, you're going to get this course as well, and you're going to get the training. Check it out. The Big Profile Profits. You're going to learn how to build your business using Facebook strategy. And of course, how to get 100 plus likes per post and 3+ sales per day in any business using your Facebook profile. I'm going to tell you something. Before I joined Heal, my Facebook profile was average. Now it's on fire. I normally get likes and even sales using the profile strategy. Now, results are not typical, but if you dive into the training, I do believe you will get results. So the Big Profile Profits is there as well. It will have a price there for you can go and access that as well. And then you have the I Am Challenge. Let me go back down here. You got the I Am Challenge. I Am Challenge is another product as well. I'm going through all the products for you because Heal is not only about growing your business, it's about transforming your mindset and your health and your way you do business on each and every single day. Now, the I Am Challenge is a 21-day challenge that's really going to get inside your soul. You're going to be able to release. You're going to be able to have the ability to move on and take action in your business and even in your personal life. I went to this 21-day challenge, and by the third day, I was already impacted. By the third day, the first video was like, yes. The second video was like, yes. And then when I got to I Am Courage and I Am Online, I was just completely on fire. And I believe the I Am Challenge will work for you as well. You can go ahead and get that as well. That is available right now as well. So when you get the VIP Suitcase Coach, you get the Big Profile Profit and I Am Challenge. That's called an all-in member. You all in with the Heal organization, all in. So you can get all those products for a very low price. So when you log in right below this video, you will see where those prices are. They're going to be right on the bottom they're going to be on your right. So when you get on the dashboard, let me show you real quick. When you get onto the dashboard, they're going to be listed right here. So you'll click on active. They'll have the price amount here. The price amount is going to be right here. Remember, it's going to be discounted when you get started today. So you're not going to pay this full price. You'll be discounted when you go ahead and take action today. You will take action. You will be an all-in member getting all three of these products. Remember, this is only $49 being a VIP Suitcase Coach. Let me show you one thing before I go ahead and lock this video down. Now, we also have physical products about your health. Now, this is something different that I've never really seen before. Physical products, not only for your health, but also for your apparel. You can get the Heal t-shirts and make commission off selling the Heal t-shirts. You can make commission by by selling the products. You can even buy the products to help your own health, right? And you're also, they have a book in here, By Misty Moments book. This is another transformational book that's really going to help you, in terms of getting your mind right of taking in action in your business here. So this is have physical products, which is I haven't seen a lot of physical products in affiliate marketing opportunity program, but Heal is different. It's a transformational experience all about getting action and getting results in your business each and every single day. Now, one bonus thing I want to tell you about, this is something that just got started not long ago, and it's called Business Class. This is something that's really hot right now. This is if you want to take your business to an even another higher level. Business Class is one of those things that when you're in business class, you really feel like a passenger on your way to higher success. And it just got launched not long ago. And if you want business class, if you want to launch yourself, if you want to launch your legacy, you want to launch your person inside you, business class is for you. That's also at a discount today when you sign up. So I'm going to tell you, I'm going to do a separate video just for business class because there's a lot of information in there. And I tell you, I'm already in business class and I'm seeing more energy. I'm seeing more health. And I'm seeing the lifestyle and I'm seeing the abundance that's coming through me. And I know it can happen to you right now. So what I want you to do right now, right below this video, click on the link, get signed up. There'll be a short video. Let me go ahead and go back to the big screen here. There is a short video. So click on the link right below this video. You'll go ahead and watch a short video. You'll put your email address in the area. There's a box that you put your name and your email address. From there, I want you to go ahead and watch the Heal story. I want you to follow the Heal story because I want you to get ingrained to understand exactly what you're getting. Then after the Heal story, become a VIP member and then become an all-in member by all the products I was just talking about. The VIP Suitcase Coach, be a member for you to be access to the videos and more importantly to that community for we can go ahead and help you get results in your business. This works if you're newbie or if you're existing online business owner. We have a lot of new people that's in there that's having success by being not only a VIP Suitcase Coach member, an all-in member and a business coach passenger, right? It's exciting. It's 2020 and this is time for you. It's on you. Health, energy, abundance, and lifestyle. Every second, every minute, every hour, and every day. It's on you. Click on that link below and I'll see you inside this transformational experience that's going to inspire your life. I'll see you inside.